Welcome buddies, it's your Solid here. Small thing make big impact. Here we are going to discuss about a small statement in Java which is mostly used. It's nothing but today we are going to discuss about System.out.println statement in Java. So what are the content we are going to see today? A basic Java program, and then what is meant by System.out.println. In that we are going to see each and everything specifically, and what are the other functions instead of println have been used. So here's a sample Java program. So it consists of System.out.println statement. So what is in the System.out.println? It is nothing but it's a statement which used to print the content into our console or screen. So we can print both a string and variable type of the content. The content should be passed like a argument or variable within the braces. So if the content is a string, it should be surrounded with the double quotes within the braces. So what is system? The whole statement System.out.println comes under the java.lang package. So system is a class which located in java.lang package. What is in the out? As I told, system is a class. Out is a reference variable inside the system class of type print stream. So print stream is another class. For that class, out is a reference variable used inside the system class. So println is nothing but it's a function which defined inside the print stream class, and it can be accessed with the reference variable out. So here I have mentioned another type of function which present inside the print stream class. It's nothing but print. So we will discuss about the print function in IDE when we are executing the example program. So let us go to the IDE to execute our example program. Here I have used the Eclipse IDE. So already I have created the Java file. So inside my main method, I am going to type the System.out.println statement. So here is it. So I have typed the System.out.println statement. Inside that I am passing a string hello world, which I need to get in my console, which means in my screen it should display hello world. So let us run the program. So here you can see in my console I am getting that hello world as my output. So let us go deeply into the concept. While I am typing, you can notice that when I type system and then when I press dot button, it's showing some of the methods and functions which are used inside the system class. So here you can see out, in, air as a reference variable which are from print stream and input stream classes, and other functions which are present inside the system class. Here we are going to use out reference variable, which is type of print stream class. So when I enter out and when I press dot button, it gives the functions and methods which are declared or defined inside the print stream class. So here you can see println is there with a string type, println with a string, and println with void, and then close, notify all. Like that we are getting some set of functions which declare inside the print stream class. And you can notify that here they have mentioned some percentage. This percentage are telling that how much the users are using their functions frequently. So here you can see println function is used 13%, which means under this class the users are most probably using the println function. So as I told earlier, we can pass a string or variable of any type as an argument of the println function. So here I can pass already I have passed a string of hello world. So if I wish to print a number which stored inside a variable, so how it can be done? Let's see it. Here you can see I have declared a variable of integer type which holding a number 10 as a value. So if I want to print this value into my console, how I can? So instead of typing 10, I can just pass a variable name. So if I pass System.out.println of I, so it will print the value stored inside the variable. So let us see the output. So here in console you can see I am getting the value which stored inside the variable. So thereby if I want to print both string and then value which stored inside some variable of any type, I can use concatenation. So it's concatenation is nothing but it's just a plus symbol. So here I am going to use a string hello world. So with hello world string I want to print the value 10 which stored inside the variable I. So simply by putting plus symbol I can print hello world 10. So both the string and variable can be print from this statement. So let us see the output here. So here you can see hello world 10 have been printed in my console. If I need to give a space between the hello world and 10, which means the string and the integer type, so I can use simply a space or /t, which means one tab space will be given in between my string and then variable. So if I run my program, I am getting hello world space 10. So like this we can use many functions which are present inside the print stream class. So here I am going to use print instead of println. If I using print, what will be happen? So difference between println and print is nothing but in println it will print line by line instructions or the statement or argument which I am pausing. So in print it will print all the line into a single line. We have seen that difference between print and println statement. So we will see how it's working. So now I am going to use a println statement. So here I need to print a string hello. In the next line I am going to use the same statement with a string world. So what happened? Let's see. So in my console I am getting hello in a line and in next line I am getting world. So instead of print, if I use instead of println, if I use print statement, let us see what's happening here. So I am getting the output in a same line as I given in the next line of the two statement. It's my output is in a same line. So this is the difference between print and the println function in print stream class. Okay, let's now go and see the source file of a System.out.println. So here I have already opened that C inside local disk C program file inside Java. You can see JDK 1.7. I am using JDK 1.7 in your system. What version you are using? Inside the JDK file, if you go there, there will be a src.zip file. Just extract it. Inside that, you can see a Java folder. So go inside the Java folder. In that you can see a LAN folder. Inside the LAN folder, if you search for system, so system class is there. So let us see the system class. Here's the system class. Inside that, we can see the member function which are used here. So here is our main thing, which is a out member function of print stream class, and other functions and methods which are used inside the system class are present here. So that's all. Thank you for watching my video, and I will be discussing a lot about Java in my upcoming videos. Once again, thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Have a nice day.